Okay, hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about week 20. This week, you should learn about bundlers. It's popular information for nowadays because within the real project life, you will familiar with a lot of ways to make your code as small as possible, and the information about bundlers will be really useful for this case. There are a lot of information, but please spend time to learn it and to make familiar with it. And the next main theme this week, it's web storages. Also very important because we're using this any ways of storages too often. For instance, you want to save information whether your user is authorized, or you prefer to save the user preferences like the dark or light theme, perhaps some languages that user choose, and so on. Also, IndexedDB is also interesting in this area because uh, some applications currently are working offline. It means that you may use your application as online as offline. And for implementations, this possibility you fully depend on IndexedDB. And that's why I really recommend you to learn the same very attentive. And related to week assignment, this week you proceed working on core.js state and proceed working on code review task. And at the end of this week, you should create the pull request and share this pull request with your mentor. This task will be reviewed by your mentor, and the mentor will get a point at the end of the review. In case you have any question related to any assignment, you may reach your mentor and ask. But please, before ask your mentor, try to find any applicable information related to your question. Perhaps you find the answer, or you try to find some information and ask about the help on a mentor to find the most relevant answer from the word of information. It's help you in the future when you will join some company, some project, and you will have no mentor, but you will have a skill to analyze information and find the most relevant for you. And that's all for current week. If you have any question, please ask or write in the chat. Up to you. Teams,
Hello, Anna.
hello.
I wanted just to ask about the third stage. There is no information yet. So is it like we can choose from few frameworks, or how is it gonna be?
Uh, I still no information related to dates, but currently we are talking about uh, July or August. I mean, middle or end of July or very beginning of the August. Such stage, within the such stage, you will choose either Angular or React. And you will join the course, I mean React or Angular, and there you will have new coordinators, new mentors, and new students around of you.
Okay, thank you.
So after you complete the stage 2, you will have several weeks for rest. It's
That's good to know.
yeah, but we don't know how how many weeks, 2, 3, or 4. We will know at the end of the stage 2, and we will decide and choose the dates based on information from our student. Perhaps they have a lot of rest, or they not so tired with the stage 1 and 2.
Okay, thank you for the question. Not question, but answer.
And thank you for a question. Okay, do you have another question? Seems no. Okay, thank you for your participation and wish you a good week. Bye bye.
Bye.